Welcome to the top picks. The best wax remover is probably one of the most crucial products for any car enthusiast or detailer. Over time, wax can build up, trapping dirt and diminishing your car's shine. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of wax removers, exploring what makes a great product, and helping you choose the perfect one to restore your car's gleaming finish. Number 5. Chemical Guys CLY 700 Clay Bar Kit. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need. It has a car clay bar, lubricant, applicator, towel, and accessories. This system is designed to deep clean your car's paint. The detailing clay bar lifts away all sorts of grime. It removes overspray, brake dust, and industrial fallout. This will give your car a better shine. The special Chemical Guys Clay Luber formula is included. It ensures the clay glides smoothly across the surface. This maximizes cleaning performance while minimizing scratches. This is an essential first step in detailing. It prepares your car's paint for sealants, ceramic coatings, or wax. This helps them bond for the best results. You can use this kit on almost anything. It's safe for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and boats. It is also safe on clear coat, chrome, glass, and plastic. This clay bar kit is perfect for beginners and pros. It helps restore gloss and prep paint like a professional detailer. It's a great way to get started. What we like. This kit offers a complete clay system, ensuring a smooth as glass finish. It effectively removes embedded dirt, preparing your paint for the next steps. If you're a beginner or a pro looking to restore gloss and prep your paint like a professional, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The clay bar itself has the perfect balance, soft and pliable, yet dense enough to pull contaminants like tree sap, tar, and brake dust without falling apart or sticking. The included clay luber works very well. It provides enough glide that the bar never drags or mars the surface. It's an excellent prep step before polishing or applying ceramic sealant. Number 4. Swirl Guys Hybrid Spray Wax 18-ounce Kit. Are you tired of products that don't last? This spray wax produces a deep shine and lasting protection. It works at the molecular level for instant results. This product is super quick and easy to use, and it's safe on every surface of any vehicle. You won't have to worry about white residue or streaks. Use it on paint, plastic, glass, and more. This wax brings the gloss and reflections up another level. The long-lasting formula leaves you with a head-turning shine. It will make all the neighbors jealous. We care about quality. Our products are produced with the latest advancements in science. This helps us make consistently high-quality products that always work great. Every formula is mixed and bottled in the USA. The Swirl Guys team cares about customer satisfaction. If you have any concerns, let us know, and a person from our team will do everything to make it right. What we like. This product is formulated with advanced science, providing a deep shine and lasting protection. It's safe to apply on every surface of your vehicle, eliminating worries about residue or streaks. If you're looking for a head-turning shine that makes your neighbors jealous, you should consider this. What people say. The product effectively removed old wax buildup. It worked well on various car surfaces. The product is easy to apply and remove. Number 3. Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax. This premium liquid car wax delivers a deep, wet shine and smooth finish. It also protects your paintwork from the elements. You can apply and remove it easily by hand or machine. It enhances gloss, depth, and reflection on all paint colors. This is ideal for achieving a showroom quality finish. It will definitely turn heads. This wax works on clear coat, single-stage paint, polished metals, and glass. The gentle formula is safe for various vehicles. It's perfect for your cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and boats. The smooth, spreadable auto wax formula wipes on effortlessly and buffs off without streaks or powder residue. This makes waxing faster and more enjoyable. It adds a pleasant tropical banana fragrance to your car detailing kit. This makes waxing sessions more enjoyable while leaving a brilliant, protected finish. It's perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, boats, and more. It's safe on painted, coated, and clear brass surfaces for versatile shine and protection. It's a perfect addition to any car wax kit. What we like. This wax delivers a deep, wet shine and smooth finish while protecting your paint. The gentle formula is safe for all finishes and is easy to apply and remove. If you like a showroom quality finish with a pleasant banana scent, you should consider this. What people say. This is a Carnauba product and will thus provide great shine. Whatever your goal might be and whatever the condition of your paint, this product will offer an improvement in appearance. Application goes on with minimal effort and comes off just as easy. Used the Chemical Guys applicator pads and a basic microfiber towel and took me about 30 minutes to wax the car. The wax was so easy it was almost enjoyable to do. Number 2. Chemical Guys Water Spot Remover Gel, 16 ounces. This gel formula is trusted by detailers to target stubborn mineral stains and water spots. It is designed to effectively remove tough water marks from various surfaces. The formula is safe for regular detailing use. It removes water spots without damaging clear coat, polished metal, or glass. This water spot remover works on painted panels, chrome trim, aluminum, stainless steel, and exterior glass. It provides a complete water spot removal solution. The thick gel formula clings to vertical surfaces for longer working time. Simply apply it, rub gently, and rinse or wipe away for a clean finish. It removes grime and light debris that can block waxes or sealants. This ensures better protection and a longer lasting shine for your vehicle. This product is ideal for boats, RVs, and household glass or metal surfaces. It safely removes mineral deposits and spots from a variety of finishes. What we like. This gel formula targets stubborn mineral stains and water spots on various surfaces. It's safe and effective, removing tough water marks without causing damage. If you have hard water stains on your car, boat, or even household glass, you should consider this. What people say. The gel formula is easy to apply, stays in place while you work, and doesn't run like other liquid removers. It removed the remaining water spots effortlessly and restored the finish. Easy application, rinse, wipe with a microfiber cloth and the spots are gone. Number 1. Chemical Guys VSS Scratch and Swirl Remover. This product combines cutting power and finishing polish in one formula. It effectively removes light to moderate scratches, swirls, oxidation, and holograms. It leaves behind a smooth, clear, and high-gloss finish. You won't need any additional polishing steps after using it. This car polish and compound is safe for clear coat, single stage, and ceramic coated finishes. You can use it by hand or with a machine polisher. The formula is silicone-free and safe for repaints. It's also great for car scratch repairs and prepping panels for coating or protection. This scratch remover cuts fast and finishes fine in a single step. It saves you time while delivering professional-level results. This product is ideal for car paint scratch repair. It's also great for trucks, RVs, and motorcycles, perfect for both detailing enthusiasts and professionals. What we like. This one-step formula combines cutting power and finishing polish to remove light scratches and swirls. It restores gloss and clarity, leaving behind a smooth, high-gloss finish. If you're looking for an easy-to-use solution to car paint scratch repair, this is the one for you. What people say. After drying the vehicle, I then claybarred the entire vehicle on every painted surface and used regular water as lubricant to avoid introducing extra oils or substances to my finish. After this step, the paint was incredibly smooth and contaminant-free as I spent painstaking time going over each body panel to make sure every single spot was touched and fixed up. I then took out my polisher and VSS and began taking off my scratches and swirls. There are tons of videos on YouTube from Chemical Guys to teach you how to properly do this, so I will skip the lesson. I did use the orange Hex Logic cutting pad. After working in small areas and taking my time very slowly, I worked panel by panel and I was happy with the little fatigue I experienced from using the machine. At the very end of the day, it didn't feel like I used the polisher for the 5 hours that I did total. Very impressed. I bugged off the polish per the instructions and wait time and was left with an incredibly glass-like surface that eliminated all of the imperfections of the paint. Works excellent. Was struggling with scratches and swirl marks on my classic black Mercedes convertible. Had tried a few different products and this worked 5x better. Worked in with my DA buffer and it really brought back the shine and many of the swirl marks are gone. Super easy to use. Buff on and wipe off. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.